Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a simple graphic editor in Microsoft Visual C#. Begin from creating your form. Now, we will create a graphic editor with a color palette so user can specify his color. Okay, click on the picture box that's holding your color palette and create an event such as mouse up, mouse down, and mouse move. Okay, now here create color, paint color. So this will be the color that we will use for drawings. Yes. Now create ball choose equals false and ball draw equals false. Create int x y lx ly equals 0, and now assign using system runtime interrupt services using system drawing imaging and using system using system JO. Now the picture box to the mouse down event create choose equals true, and in the mouse up event choose equals false. So this is specifying when the user has pushed the left button on the mouse, and then the color can be taken from the image. But when user releases the button, then the color is not choosing anymore. Yes. So now in mouse move event, if choose, this is a shortcut actually. It can be the same written by if choose equals true. Now if choose, then bitmap bmp equals as bitmap. Now bitmap no as bitmap and picture box to that image clone. Okay, and now here paint color is equal to bmp, so this bitmap that we created just a few moments ago, get pixel e.x e.y. So this is the event amount. We have the E is the mouse event arcs that are holding the current event. Yes. So this E.x is the horizontal axis. Yes, this is the horizontal location on the this location of the cursor on the horizontal axis, and the Y is the location of the cursor on the vertical axis. Now there are those sliders I have, and create the values for them. So red value equals paint color R. Okay, now there are 4, so just copy it. Red, green, blue, alpha. Now there are those text box. Okay, and now let's set blue, alpha, to string, and here will be to string. No, let's change those BA. Right, so now variable the text text, 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 and this will be not red but green vol. This will be blue vol. This will be alpha vol. Alpha vol. Now alpha. Oh, no, well, that's like value. Now here will be green. Here will be blue, and here will be alpha. It will show the current channel of alpha channel. Now picture box 3 that back color equals paint color. Okay. So this is the how is it called? The color palette. Yes, so it's working fine. You can see here everything's working okay. You don't want to go outside the bounds of the picture box because then you will have a syntax error. Now, for the next, we will start from the draw. Actually, no. We will start from the load, so we will start from these fonts, from these combo boxes. We want them to have font. So in here, from one load, create font family and create it as a font family array. Name it. I will name it family. Family equals font family families. Now, for each font family, font in family to strip combo box 2 that items add inside the add will give font that get name. This is language first. I have only one language installed. To string. Okay, so now we have all fonts installed in the system inside this font family. Yes, so we have like those. Okay, now let's get to drawing. Of course, first in the drawing surface, create such events as click, down, move, and up. And let's go to down. Now, here we will create also public enum item. And here will be the actually objects that our application is capable of drawing. So rectangle, ellipse, line, text, functions, brush, pencil, eraser, brush, pencil, eraser, and the other functions such as color picker and the actually that's all. 8. Yeah, it's all. And now here in mouse down, draw equals true, x equals e point x. So this is the mouse event axis holding the current event. So this x is the position, the current position of the cursor on the horizontal axis when the left button of mouse is pressed. The y is the same, but it's the position on the vertical axis. Now in mouse up, draw equals false, and here lx is equal to e point x, the same as there, and ly is equal to e point y. This is the same as there, yes. Now, okay, now here, if okay, wait 1 second. Create also here item cur item. So this is the item that user selected. So this is the object or function that will be used or drawn. Okay, now if cur item is equal to line, we will draw the line. So here create graphics g equals picture box 1 that create graphics and it should be in this if statement. Now g.draw and draw line. Here will be new pen, new solid brush, paint color, new point x, y, and next will be new point lx, ly, and g dispose. And this no, actually I can run it because this cur item is not selected yet. So this will be a cur item. So here cur item is equal to item line. So it means if I choose this line here, I'll select some color. Now I click somewhere on the surface, holding the line, holding the left button, and when I drop it, the line will occur in the exact point where I released the mouse button. Okay. Now for rectangle, cur item is equal to item rectangle. And now in the surface, so picture box 1 my case, in mouse move event create if draw. So this ball draw is indicating whenever the user pressed the left button and is holding it, the draw is on, so the object can be drawn. Yes. Now if draw switch cur item. So case item rectangle, and here create in draw create graphics g equals picture box 1 that create graphics, and here will be g that fill rectangle, new solid brush, and paint color. Now it will be x, y, and e point x minus x and e point y. minus y, and also this is not right because here should be something like this. Okay. After the switch, G to dispose. So this is the rectangle. Let's set some color. Let's take rectangle. Whoa. Oh. There's my mistake. Sorry. Now should be okay. That isn't okay. Wait. Something's wrong. Okay. X, y, e point x minus x and e point y minus y. That should be okay. Set the color. Ah, now it's working. So the rectangle is working. Now let's go to the draw ellipse. Here will be item equals item ellipse, and here case item ellipse break. G.fill ellipse, new solid brush and paint color inside, and now X, Y, E point X minus X and E point Y minus Y. Okay. This ellipse. Like that. Okay, the ellipse is working. Now, for the next one will be line already is brush. Core item equals item brush. And here create case item brush. And G.fill ellipse, new solid brush, paint color, and this will be E point X minus X plus X, and E point Y minus Y plus Y. Okay, and here will be convert to integer 32. It will be tool strip text box 1.text, and here the same, convert to integer to tool strip text box 1 text, or these convert methods are for the brush size. Yes, so I'm using that user can specify the size of brush in this text box. Yes, so now I'm selecting the color. Let's give brush size 20, select brush, and we can draw it. Yes, change the color and everything. Okay. Okay, this is the end of part 1, and see you in the part 2.